What's up guys, it's Matt with Iconic Traders. Today I was able to make just over $8,000 trading stocks. My students were able to make bank with me, and you're gonna get to spend the day with me and see what I did after I made the money. But first I'm gonna go over the trade with you. I did make one losing trade too, so I'll tell you about that one, what I was thinking. But other than that, let's get it. What's up guys? So what I was looking for in APT this morning, which I laid out in pre-market with the students in our premium chat service, was I was looking from this line from yesterday. I wasn't not expecting a move up into the 2120s whatsoever. I was expecting to move right into this line, this 1950s area, because most of the day that was resistance. It never really formed any support. So I laid out a plan of how to scale in. I wanted to see a break over 1840s. And then I just started to take size. And as soon as I saw this big death candle here, not a death candle, but this point of exhaustion, I like to call it, this candle here on your 1 minute chart, on your 3 minute chart, you can see that the stock had real no chance of staying up there. So as soon as I saw that, I waited for the next candle. I shorted this pop right up into this level. As you can see, it never tested that level again and started to break down. I did get greedy with this trade. And why did I get greedy with this trade? Because of this area here. There was no real form of support or resistance that played off this area. So I was focusing on this area, and I kept on saying that to our students today. Listen, this is where this stock is going to end up at one point. So I waited for that point to come. I was able to cover my full position right at the bottom of the day, which you can see was right in here, 1570s. I was able to pretty much top tick and bottom tick. You know, I did scale in here, so I did have a couple feeler orders on the way up, but most of my size coming at the top and covering at the bottom. This one was my juiciest trade of the day, as you can see. If we want to look at the other ones, INO, same thing here. All I was doing was shorting off pre-market highs. I did this stock, had a big run up, as you can see the last couple days. Did not feel like this stock had any chance whatsoever to continue its upward trend, because even in the pre-market, it was looking weak up on these levels. If you pull up the daily also, you can see anytime it gets up near these levels that it does not like to hold these gains. Once I laid out my plan, I actually had my orders scaling into 950. Didn't touch 950 whatsoever, but was able to get a decent sized position right here and right here. This time I covered into these areas of consolidation from pre-market. I did not wait for the move to the downside, just this area right here. That was it for me on this trade. The only other trade I had today was a loser, which I will show you guys. I was in a winning position on this trade, and I just gave it all back. If you guys have a plan, stick to it. When you deviate from your plan is when you lose money. So Zshan, what I liked about this was on the daily, I was looking to sell into 133. I should have been really looking to sell kind of into this one from 122 into 130s. As you can see, it didn't quite get to 130. It just got underneath, but I should have been laying off my position here. I had 4,000 shares at a 111. I'm going to show you the flag that I traded I did trade this in the pre-market. I traded this pullback when it ran up all the way up to 122, pulled back all the way down to 109. I was able to take a position at 111. I did have a chance to take profit here. I was looking for the continuation for the break over 133. I thought the volume that was going to come in behind it. And you know what? I ended up selling my position at a loss for 600 bucks. That's my 3 trades today. There's my breakdown for you guys. Live to trade another day. Obviously, you can't win all of them, but 2 out of 3, I'll take it. So hope you guys enjoy. I was able to go downtown, go shopping, go kind of explore, take some pictures. So if you guys want to know how I learned my strategies on how to make consistent money out of the stock market every day, just like I made $8,000 today, I made over $21,000 on Friday, I made $3,500 yesterday, click the link in my bio for our free webinar and find out how.